Today was a crazy day. I ended up making 3 trades on the day today. First trade was second trade third trade, big boom candles, baby. We are up 5 figures on the day again today. Big shout out to everyone who's been supporting this channel, guys. We've been giving you the best levels to be trading at all times. And I know when we give you guys levels, and I know when you're trading the best level possible, that sometimes it's scary. But it ended up being the best trade of the day today. Big shout out to Demetri. He ended up alerting and telling everyone in the Discord in the pre-market live stream this morning, 531.50 is where he wants puts. Look at the high of the day today, 531.59. He ended up waiting patiently. Me, I ended up getting puts in the morning, just sniping a play. I was sniping pre-market resistance. Ended up barely getting out of there with a green, guys. It wasn't too big of a trade. Got in another little trade here, made a little bit of money. The best trade of the day today was Demetri's call out. Okay? So, since I went already 2 trades and I made barely green on both of them, I was feeling kind of off. Like, I wasn't feeling it. I'm like, I'm going to wait for the best setup. He ended up alerting this. They absolutely banked. So, when SPY was tanking, I did not FOMO into this. I knew both our price targets for today were deep price targets. We had deep friggin' price targets for puts today, okay? I missed my entry. That's fine. I'm not worried, right? Everyone's like, oh, I missed it. Look it. This is where they shorted, right? This is where Demetri shorted. This is the play. Look at this massive play. What did I end up doing? Next candle. Retest of 530. Oops, you can't even see that. Retest, he ended up alerting puts right here, okay? I missed this move. I was FOMOing like crazy. I really wanted to get in, but I didn't have the entry, so I just sat on my hands. This trade happened. Boom, right? I'm waiting. I'm patiently waiting, guys. Next green candle. We retest 530. Look left. Look at the support wicks of this morning on the 5-minute time frame. We broke beneath of it, came back up. I alerted 530 puts, brought these disgustingly back in the money, guys. This was almost a $1.50 move on SPY. It doesn't look that big right now, but it was massive when it comes to options contracts. I ended up getting August 12th contracts. Made a bag here. Now, let's look again. We make a lower high, 531. I was telling people, do not put until 530 comes a resistance. We break through. Same play. Retest, 530, break. Made a roof at 530. Look at the sell-off. From just playing key levels, guys. You don't need to overcomplicate anything. If you short at 530, your stop loss is 530 support. And that's exactly what happened today. So, big shout out to Demetri. He absolutely crushed it today, guys. I was just going to show you. He ended up posting something. First of all, he did one SPX. But, guys, this is one trade Demetri took today. 13K. 100 contracts. 552 puts. Look at that. Well, that was one trade. He's over 20K in the day. He absolutely crushed it today. He alerted something. Give me 1 second. I just had it. Right here, okay? Look at this. 11:48 a.m. Eastern time. 2 hours in the market open. Bearish divergence on the 30-minute time frame. We are going to dump till Friday. RIP SPY. Whoop. Let's look at where we were at 11:30. Look where we were at 11:30, guys. He literally alerted the third lower high of the day today. He absolutely crushed it today. Big shout out to Demetri, guys. So that's what the Discord ended up doing today. Remember, if you would like to be a part of the Daily Sniper Guide, link in the bio. It's a cup of coffee a day. If you would like free callouts, guys, SPX, SPY, call options, and to learn how to trade options, the link is in the bio, guys. Cup of coffee a day. So, what's my game plan for tomorrow? We're extremely bearish. Let's look at the daily time frame right now. Let's take all this noise off. We have a bearish engulfing candle, which we expected, right? From last night's video, we expected this. To the downside, where are we going? Like I said in last night's video, 503s to 549, 497, sorry. All right? And where am I getting that from? This red line that you see right here on the daily time frame, this is the 200 EMA, and this is the 200 moving average. Zoom out. Just look at all the touch points that we have at this level, right? Every time SPY touches it, we have a massive reaction. That's why I'm looking for it. But we've sold off so much that I'm ready for a relief bounce. And you know what? Today could have been the relief bounce. SPY has been doing $10 moves like it's nothing. We were lucky to see a couple point moves on SPY for the last few months. And now we're getting 10-point moves in each freaking direction every single freaking day. This is why I told you guys. This is why I was hype. There's a lot of money to be made in this market. A lot of freaking money. So what we're going to end up doing for tomorrow. We have a previous closing price at $522.50. That was yesterday's previous closing price. We broke through it, came in resistance. This was a gap and go. This wasn't a gap close reversal, a gap and go. Now, let's look at where we are. We're at 517.64. That's exactly where SPY ended up closing at. So 517. No, sorry, 518.66. Sorry. Let's look at the after hours. Okay. Previous closing price on SPY, 518.66. And I know I keep giving you guys the previous closing price is the make or break level, but if you watch, we broke under the previous closing price, came back up, retest, massive sell-off, came back up to test it. We created a roof, a resistance at the previous closing price. This is why I told you it's our major key level. So moving forward to tomorrow, yes, 518.66 is our key level. Now, let's look at the downside. Let's look at the touch points, right? Where are we going to have big volatile moves at? First area is going to be 522.15. This is a big level right now, 522.15. Look at all the touch points of resistance that we had. Look left, look where we bounces, look where we held support. Look at the previous days. SPY's been hugging this level. Where else has SPY been hugging? 520. It sucks because we're in a 10 freaking point move range right now between the 530s and 520s. Very, very scary. Comparative to where we closed today, SPY set up to close red today. Ideally, no one knows, guys, but I'm extremely bearish on SPY, especially after a massive move like this. So where's the best level for puts? 525. I'm going to be hitting puts heavy. Easy, right? And then go down 520 to 520.50. If we gap down, come back up to this level, I'm hitting puts again. 520 puts, hitting them in the money. If we end up gapping extremely low, where a bounce is going to happen? First bounce level we're going to have is at 515. I plan on bringing 514 calls deep in the money if we open in this range. Other than that, 508.50. We have a gap to fill at 508.26. SPY fills its gaps. This is where we are headed. I know it's $10 away, but I'm just giving you guys some levels to be trading at. I live stream every single day, Monday to Friday, but tomorrow I won't be. Demetri's in town for my birthday this weekend. I have to pick him up from the airport. I cannot live stream, and I couldn't live stream today, but we will be live streaming together on Friday on YouTube, guys. Remember the Daily Sniper, #1 options Discord. We beat every single one in the game. If you don't believe us, I'll give you a 100% money back guaranteed. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Remember, I give you guys great levels to be trading at, but they could be a gap and go, or it could be a reversal at that level. You have to be paying close attention. I'm not here just to spoon feed people. I want you guys to learn. We're looking at the history on SPY. We're looking at support and resistances. A lot of people don't like trading it. I personally like trading it. Why? Because we have a history of touch points from those levels on SPY. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, everyone.